me and my little sister. Today, me and my little sister are gonna go on. Are you okay? Go on to an unboxing some toys that Mom buy for us. And I did another one. This is mine. We got the last one. And this is our school supply. Where do you want to open this? Guys, this is mine. Wait, how to open this? Mine is so easy. Yeah, I know, but this one's so hard. Guys, somebody actually do this. But guys, I can do this. That's so cool. This is wine. I did it. Here. Thank you. And I get it. My mom wants to kill. Oh my gosh, I want the green one. I want the blue one. You guys actually don't know my favorite color is blue and green and purple. And my little sister's color is, what is it again? Pink. Pink and purple. But I'm gonna sneeze. Is that so easy, Mom? Oh, sorry. I think Mom. Mom is recording us. Yes, it is. I'm a rage. This is mini vending machine. What's on? Oh my gosh. The cooler. This so on the money. Guys, yeah, you do the money and I'll do this. This so easy. This is how to put them. Kinda cool though. Great. And just get the pen. Guys, we need to know this. Where's my little sister? Wait, where's the toy? There you are. I just buy this. It's so you didn't buy that. You just found it, okay? Yes, it is. But I didn't even see it there. Stop. This is Bay Dreamy. This is Bay Dreamy. I got my scissor. No! Mine's here and yours there. Oh, I did. Oh. Here. Now time for the back. Gonna cut the box. Yes. We did it. Don't forget. And oh yeah, completely forget something to say. Don't forget to wow. Wait a second. Don't take it yet. I need to cut something. Cut there. Cut here. There. Get this. Our baby. And now time for this. How do you even cut that thing? And this is the baby. This is the baby. And this is her rattle. This is, I want to see. Yeah, completely a rattle. Hi guys, I'm right here now. It starts raining now. Oh yeah, and this is the mini vending machine, and this is, I don't even know. And this is the slimes, and this is Bunny, which is my little sister. Named it. It's actually the plush bunny. So that's it. So let's play. I'ma do the bubble. No, I don't want to do the bubble. I'll play slime. Just what's it? Yes. I'll get this. Now we get this. I didn't do the bubble. I'm gonna do something. Papa.